Speaker sir, attention of the House is drawn to the plight of the daily commuters travelling by Kadamba shuttle bus service from Vasco to Panjim or Margao. There are no fixed timing for these shuttle buses as this route are sometimes there are no buses. As a result, people reaches late at their workplace. Further, the condition of these buses are very bad. They are old and are leaking during the monsoon. Also, there is no proper bus shed for the shuttle service and hence people face a lot of hardship standing in queue, especially during the monsoon. Step the government intend to take in this regard. Speaker sir, Honorable Minister सांगपाक सोदता आमची जी शटल सर्वीस आसा थंयसर एटलिस्ट एक शेड घालपाक कित्याक लोकांक खूबशे ते त्रास जावपाक लागलेले आसा. सो हांव मागता मिनिस्टरा कडेन की हेजेर लक्ष घालून ती आमकां एक शेड घालून दिवची म्हणून.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.